Today I'm unboxing this disposable crystal litter tray by PetSafe. I did receive this in exchange for my honest opinion, but I've used these before and this is a really great product. So I'm excited to get it unboxed and show you guys what it looks like and how to use it. So first, when you get it, you want to remove all of this plastic wrap. Once you get the plastic wrap and the lid off, this is what it looks like. Just remove that piece of brown cardboard. Now you're going to take this bag of the crystal litter and you're going to cut it open. Just pour it into the open part of the box, and then I take my hand and I just smooth it all out. After you do that, you're ready to put the tray into the litter box. All you have to do is just lift your litter box up like this, slide the tray in. You want to line the rake up there in the back, just at the very edge of the litter box. After you do that, just make sure the magnets of your litter box door attach to the litter box tray right there so that the lid will lift, and that is all you have to do. I have used these trays for years. I've been very happy with them, so this is definitely a product that I recommend.